In this video, I will show you how to create administrator user account on Windows 11. Creating an administrator user account on Windows 11 is pretty easy. To do that, go ahead and head over into your settings. So go ahead and head over into the Windows tab and click on settings under the Windows tab. Now under your settings, go ahead and head over into the accounts tab. Click on the accounts tab, and on the accounts tab, head over into the other users tab. So you'll find that at the left side of your screen, family and other users, so click on that. So in this section, you just need to click on that add someone else to this PC under the other users tab. So as you can see, you can also add a family member as a user of your PC or laptop, and this will pop up on your screen. So in here, you'll need to sign in into that user's Microsoft account. But if you don't have access to that user's Microsoft account, you can simply click on that I don't have this person's sign in information. Choose add a user without a Microsoft account and enter a username, password, and security question for the new account. After creating the account, select it and click change account type and choose administrator. And that is how you can simply create administrator user account on Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.